of the ISIS, the ISIS caliphate, as they called it. But he also said that he saw signs, and these are his words, of the human spirit. You saw some shops that were open amidst the rubble. Some
size for a fighting person, but when people get above 240 pounds, they get slower and have trouble pushing around all that mass. So Daniel Cormier is like 2 pounds under 240 pounds, and Stipe Miocic is just a few pounds over. So they're not as big as the linemen in the NFL, but in terms of what you're actually trying to athletically accomplish, they're about the perfect size.
la 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 la.
I mean, election administration has long been a hot button issue with the voting public, so I'd imagine rallies and protests, there should be, but
I think
no.
people, I mean, it's just, you're going to see, I feel like it's going to be stories in the local news about, our Russian trolls, like, trying to sway your school board election or something like that. Like, I'm sure that will become...